Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I am Abhishek and I recently completed one of my project during my internship at Atliq Technologies on insurance domain. So in this presentation, I'm going to discuss about my analysis that how is going to help stakeholders and the clients drive through insights about their business and enable them to take data-driven decisions. Before getting into actual presentation, let me give brief information about the company that we are actually working with. So the company called Shield Insurance is a comprehensive insurance solution for both individuals and business and helping them to stay safe from different problems. And they also have offering the different kinds of insurance policies to the customers based on the age groups. And the name itself known in the company name Shield is being reliable and caring towards its customers and ensuring them to feel safe and secure from the company side. So this is more information about the Shield Insurance. Now let's see the flow of the presentation. So initially I start with problem statement followed by the objectives and the deep understanding of the data that we got from the client side and the overview of the dashboard, how to use dashboard and how to apply filters and the remove filters to get the insights. And I will end up with my presentation with insights and recommendations. So let's see the problem statement now. So the most of the companies are facing the same problem, like their lack of data driven decisions, which means they have the limited insights on the customers and their revenue and minimal awareness of BI tools, and they are not aware of using the dashboards and missing the key demographic insights. So we are going to take a step forward to solve these problems for the company. So let's see the objective. The objective is very clear and simple. We need to create a dashboard that will have the stakeholders to dive through insights and to make a video presentation for the better understanding too. And now let's see the data that we got from the client side. We received the historical data from November 2022 to April 2023, which including all the information that we need for the analysis. And Shield Insurance maintaining their business in five major cities in India: Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Indore, and Chennai. And they are giving the policies to the customers through four different channels. Those are offline agent, offline direct, online website, and the online app. Now, this is brief information about the problem statement and objective. Now let's see the dashboard. I can say this is the landing page of the report. In some more simpler words, the home page of the report, where they can navigate to different pages that are available in the report. By using these buttons here, we got the three pages: overview, age group, and sales mode. Let's go to the overview and explore how to apply filters and how to remove filters and how to understand the KPIs and the matrices and visualizations. So it's a human mentality to read from the left to right. So we kept the KPIs from the left, which is the most important thing you need to understand, which including the revenue, total customers, and daily revenue growth and daily customer growth. And these revenue KPIs are compared with the previous month and percentage change compared to the last month. And we got the filters above here: age group, month, policy ID, different cities, and sales mode, and revenue split by cities, a matrix, a table, and a graph, a line, a visualization trend for total customers and the revenue. So you can observe here the KPIs are not showing last month and the percentage change value because you are not selected any filter here. So we can see a message pop up here: select the month to see last month and percentage change. So to see the comparison month on month, we need to select filter for the month. So let me select a month filter. Now we are going for let's go for February 2023. So in the February 2023, the revenue is 440 millions, and which is compared to the previous month. The previous month revenue is 141 million, and we can see the percentage change is 1.1 percentage, which showing the positive performance. That's why it's showing the upward arrow. And if it is not performing well, it will going to show the downward arrow, we can observe for the total customers here. The total customer compared to the previous month is decreased by the 0.67 percentage. So this is how we can understand the KPIs here, and we can also apply different multiple filters. Like we can see policy here. For the policy this, we can see two filters applied here, and to remove the filters we can just click the erase button here, which removes the filters. And the matrix here, the matrix will expand furthermore for the age group that are available in the different cities. And we can also toggle between the two visuals by clicking this button here. We can see the revenue trend by month and customer trend by month, total customer trend by month. Applying filters and removing filters very easy. One need to digest to understand the dashboard very clearly. So I can say this is the first part of the presentation. Now we are going for the main part of the presentation, which is insights and recommendations from my side. So the first insight we are going to talk about is revenue. So revenue is the most important thing in every sector, like any business or any company. First they will mainly look into revenue. So let me give an example. So as a human being, my heart needs a steady flow of the blood, right? So every company or any business aims to maintain a consistent and healthy steady flow of the revenue. So let's have a revenue now. The company made around 989 million in the span of November 2022 and 2023, and they have the total customers of 26,840. Let's go to date and see the significant changes in the revenue by the month. So we can observe revenues declined in the month of April, and it is dropped by 41.73% compared to the March, which is showing the negative impact on the overall financial performance. And also the remaining KPIs like total customers and daily revenue growth and daily customer growth are also not performing well, and showing the poor performance in April compared to the other months also, like Jan, November, December. Compared to all different months, we have the April is performing very poor, and need to tackle why this is happening, why the revenue and total customers are not performing well in the month of April. And let's see the most peak revenue that is measured in the span of these months. And the March month saw the highest revenue, reaching the 264 million and 84.9% compared to the previous month, which is showing the very strong solid performance compared to the all different months. And the KPIs, the remaining KPIs like total customers and daily revenue growth and daily customer growth is also performing well. Seems to be the percentage change is above 50%, and we can say a positive business trend here. And let's go deep into revenue split by cities. So Delhi leading in the revenue and making generated revenue of the 402 million, and outperforming all other cities compared to the all other cities, highlighting the strong potential customer base in the Delhi. And we can observe total revenue followed by the Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai and Indore. And we can say Indore is not performing well in terms of the revenue. They're only making it's only generating 81 million, which is showing the, and we need to tackle what is happening in the Indore. And let's see different sales mode. We have already discussed, we have the different channels that company giving the policies to the customers: the offline agent, offline direct, and online app and online website. So let's see the revenue for the revenue generating by these different channels here. So offline agent leading the revenue is showing this very strong performance compared to the three different channels, which is making around 551 million. And poor performance is observed from the online website, and need to tackle problems what is happening behind the website, and is there any poor why it's showing the poor performance, and is there any problem from the end side and customer side, and we need to tackle what is happening with the website. And coming to the age group analysis, we got the different age groups here: 18 to 24, 25 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, and 51 to 65, and 65 plus. So these are the 6 different age groups the company splits, and we can observe the majority of the people and majority of the customers are shown in 31 to 40 age groups. Around 11.1k customers have been in this age group, and low engagement is observed in the 65 age group. I need to focus on the 65 age group people to attract more towards their policies and their offers they are giving. And let's see, we have the different policies here, and which one is the most famous policies that were taken by the customers. And the policy L4321HEL is the most popular policy, and most of the customers are adapting towards it. Around 4,443 customers are taking it, representing a large customer segment in the all policies. And let's see policies split by the revenue. The most insight here is the most popular policy is generating the low revenue, which is 25.47 millions only when compared to the all policies, which is not a good sign for the company. Let's see the highest revenue generating policy, and 2005HEL is high revenue generating policy, which making around 324.6 million rupees. Okay, these are my insights. Now let's see now let's go for recommendations to the company that will help a lot in the future decisions. So the first recommendation from my side is they need to boost online sales performance. Like I already said, the channel online website not performing well and making the generating the very less revenue, and they need to improve the online website performance by enhancing the user experience and offering target promotions so they can boost their online performance in the future. And the second recommendation is they need to focus on 65 age group customers. So as I said earlier, they need to focus mainly on 65 age group customers by giving the more offers on the products which will attract them a lot. And my third recommendation is maximize revenue from the popular policies. So we've seen that the most popular policy is making the less revenue, and by targeting on this and focusing on this policy, we can generate more revenue by evaluating the pricing strategy of the policies to increase the revenue since it has a high population, right? So coming to the fourth recommendation from my side, leverage in Delhi's potential. As we seen, the Delhi have a high potential customer base. If they target on expanding their target marketing and customer engagement, can make even more revenue and a strong base for the company in the future too. So we come to end. This is all my insights and recommendations to company. I hope this analysis find them good and which will enable them to take data-driven decisions in the future. And let me know in the comment section if you have any queries for me. And thank you for watching, guys.